Kiyosaki's wealth building strategies. In the realm of personal finance and wealth creation, few names resonate as strongly as Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the groundbreaking book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Kiyosaki has revolutionized conventional thinking about money, introducing concepts that go beyond mere income generation. But first, welcome to Ash Cash Tash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Business. At the core of Robert Kiyosaki's philosophy is the profound impact of entrepreneurship. In contrast to the common stereotype portraying the wealthy as passive individuals, Kiyosaki emphasizes the substantial effort needed to establish a thriving business. Figures like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos serve as prime examples of individuals who have traversed the path from relentless hard work to the development of enduring assets. A successful business, once established, evolves into a perpetual income stream, providing entrepreneurs with financial liberation from the constraints of a conventional 9-to-5 lifestyle. Kiyosaki's approach challenges the conventional wisdom of working solely for a paycheck, advocating instead for the creation of assets that generate sustained wealth. While traditional employment often entails continuous effort without long-term security, entrepreneurship involves front-loaded hard work to establish a business that subsequently yields returns without constant active involvement. This stark difference underscores the distinction between creating assets that work for the individual and laboring for income throughout one's life. In essence, Kiyosaki's philosophy encourages a shift in mindset, from being an employee trading time for money to becoming an entrepreneur focused on building assets. The transition from active income to passive income, exemplified by successful business ownership, aligns with the broader theme of achieving financial freedom and creating a lasting legacy for the future generations. Real estate. Acknowledging that entrepreneurship may not be a viable path for everyone due to associated risks, Robert Kiyosaki introduces an alternative strategy centered on leveraging quote-unquote other people's money or OPM through real estate investment. While acquiring property might initially appear challenging for individuals with average salaries, Kiyosaki proposes overcoming this barrier by judiciously utilizing OPM. The rental income generated from such property serves as a dual purpose, covering mortgage payments and establishing an additional income stream. This approach progressively diminishes dependence on traditional employment as more rental properties are acquired. Kiyosaki's emphasis on OPM aligns with the notion that financial success involves strategic decision-making and resourceful utilization of available options. Real estate, as a tangible asset, offers the opportunity to harness the financial power of borrowed capital, allowing individuals to enter the property market without substantial upfront investment. The resulting income generated from rental properties contributes to financial independence, representing a departure from the conventional trajectory of relying solely on earned income from a job. In essence, Kiyosaki's approach underscores the importance of adopting creative financial strategies, like leveraging OPM in real estate, to diversify income sources and gradually transition towards financial autonomy. By strategically navigating the realm of investments, individuals can curate a portfolio of assets that work for them, thereby shaping a more resilient and prosperous financial future. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the subscribe squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Paper assets. Recognizing that entrepreneurship and real estate investment might not align with everyone's time and inclination, Robert Kiyosaki introduces the concept of paper assets. This category encompasses stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and government securities or GSECs, providing individuals with an alternative investment avenue. Unlike businesses or real estate, paper assets offer a more hands-off approach to investing, allowing individuals to partake in the success of various ventures without the direct involvement required in active management. Kiyosaki's emphasis on paper assets highlights the importance of diversification in building a robust financial portfolio. These instruments represent a way for individuals to invest in businesses, government initiatives, and the broader market trends without taking on the responsibilities associated with operating a business or managing real estate properties. The flexibility and liquidity of paper assets make them an attractive option for those seeking passive income and capital appreciation while navigating a career or other commitments. In essence, Kiyosaki's approach underscores the need for a well-rounded investment strategy that aligns with individual preferences and lifestyle choices. Whether through active entrepreneurship, real estate ventures, and the passive nature of paper assets, the key is to create a diversified portfolio that works synergistically toward achieving financial goals and long-term wealth accumulation. Commodities. To diversify and fortify one's portfolio, Kiyosaki advocates for investments in God's money, commodities like gold, silver, oil, and food grains. Unlike fiat currency, commodities possess intrinsic value and act as a safeguard against economic uncertainties and inflation. This diversified approach helps protect wealth in times of economic turbulence. Time, often referred to as the most precious resource, plays a pivotal role in Kiyosaki's wealth-building strategy. The advice to start investing early echoes the wisdom of investment maestro Warren Buffett. Beginning at a young age allows individuals to take calculated risks and maximize the compounding effect, creating a robust foundation for long-term financial stability. Health. In the pursuit of financial freedom, Kiyosaki emphasizes the often overlooked aspect of physical well-being. Unhealthy habits not only impact current earnings but also lead to substantial medical expenses in the future. Prioritizing health ensures sustained productivity, paving the way for increased earnings and an enhanced quality of life. Online assets. Living in the digital age offers unique opportunities for wealth creation through online assets. Platforms like YouTube channels, online courses, blogs, and social media pages provide accessible avenues for income generation. Leveraging personal skills and knowledge can lead to the creation of passive income streams and scalable online businesses with minimal initial investment. Network. Building a robust personal brand and cultivating goodwill within one's network is a strategic move in Kiyosaki's playbook. The saying, quote-unquote, "a happy client is a referring client," encapsulates the essence of developing a positive reputation. Networking and effective self-marketing amplify the impact of one's efforts, fostering a cycle of success and new opportunities. Conclusion. Robert Kiyosaki's wealth-building insights offer a comprehensive blueprint for achieving financial freedom. By incorporating a diverse range of assets, balancing active and passive income streams, and considering the holistic elements of time and health, individuals can establish a resilient financial foundation. The principles outlined by Kiyosaki transcend conventional notions of wealth, providing a roadmap for prosperity not only for the present but for the generations to come. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.